Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. Coming with running boards down below, you also have the XTR package giving you chrome accents and rims, and the FX4 off-road package giving you off-road suspension and skid plates. Looking into the back, we have comfortable seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and 120-volt power outlet. This truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. And a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip and fuel information, truck information, towing information, phone and audio controls, as well as settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, including My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, favorite screen for all of your most used apps and settings, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, zone lighting, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards, hill descent assist, and traction control shutoff. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated front seats. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, sport. Then on the opposite end, you have slippery, deep snow sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl mode as part of the FX4 package. And moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet. Down below, you have this bin with a USB and USB-C. And looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and back to your center console area where you have 2 cup holders, a large bin here, and then your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power sliding rear window. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.